are you? Today I came at Burger King and I want to try this yummy chocolate souffle. But if you cannot come to Burger King for trying this super delicious dessert, no matter, I can easily help you to make this at home and enjoy with your beloved ones. Mwah. Lovely friends, I'm back with another dessert that I want to teach you to make it and enjoy it. This is chocolate souffle, and as you know, the main ingredient is chocolate, and let's see what we have. We have butter, we have egg, we have chocolate and flour. Let's get started. First of all, I'm adding chocolate. This is dark chocolate because I don't want so much sweet, and also I don't add sugar because it's sweet enough. I'm adding 1 cup of chocolate, dark chocolate, 1 cup dark chocolate, and I think 2 cups is enough. Also, I mix this chocolate with butter. I'm adding this and put it on top of the kettle. Let's see, for melting and getting better texture. I'm mixing these ingredients. Ooh. Okay. Our chocolate and butter are melted together. This is the texture that you can see. We are adding 1 spoon of flour and 1 egg. And we are mixing all these ingredients together. You can melt your chocolate and butter in the microwave and also in direct melting with kettle, that I preferred melting with kettle, in direct one. If you feel it's little liquid and little loosey, you can add more flour, but not so much. Just this is enough, because we want to have the texture same as cake and melting. Inside of that is melting, and whenever you put your spoon inside of that chocolate souffle, this is the good feeling that you can see the melting chocolate. The combination of that with ice cream is so amazing. This is the texture. We transfer these ingredients to this cup. I put it in the oven for 5 minutes. Let's see. Our souffle is ready. This is the texture that we want. Look, this is a little liquid inside of that melting, and I can show you. Well, I want to bring my ice cream for serving this super tasty dessert. Now I want to serve with ice cream to show you how this is amazing. Final product, our dessert is ready. Let's try it. It's so amazing. It's so perfect. It's more affordable. It's more cheaper. and it's more delicious. That you can make it at home with your beloved ones and you can eat as much as you want. See you!